Hello, my name is Brenda Bastanzi, and this is my PowerPoint on information governance. Information governance is about protecting health information for integrity, protected by policies and standards in health integrity management, protected by privacy and confidentiality through health integrity standards and management of the data. Integrity, providing confidentiality for the health information from the provider to the patient through healthcare standards. Patient access must be authorized by the patient for the purpose of accessing the record and giving out the information. Governing practices are legal practices within state requirements that govern the record. Compliance standards. Audit trails get compliance standards in order for the protection of health integrity for the purpose of the best standards of all time. The information in the record contains information that is protected by consents and audit trails. The reliability of the record requires password authentication and encryption notification. Information management. Information management are subject to legal and regulatory control, such as coding requirements, security access requirements, and transaction audits. Documentation specialists also enlist in the help of health information management managers to ensure that documentation is applicable to the standards of care that provide accountability from the physician and other departments within the facility. The best way to enhance quality of care is through documentation management by establishing proper protocol within the organization through a document system. It is best to ensure that by getting good employees that understand the law in their state and understand the policies that govern their jurisdiction within their state. Thank you.